So if you're probably stressed trying to post 5-10 times every 3 days for a client, well, I got a solution for you. Do you want to make thousands of dollars a month for clipping 300 videos? Well, you don't even need to lift a finger up anymore. Really quick Zen break. Gotta pop a zinni and lock any. You don't want to be stressed out like me, and you could post autonomously, edit autonomously. Well, I am your solution. What we're gonna do essentially is make a system. It could auto post for you, it could auto carousel for you, it could auto edit and clip thousands of videos a day if you want to. And no, that's not clickbait. So this is how you actually scale on the social media game. All you gotta do is drag and drop a video into a folder, and it will post on Instagram, Snapchat, Facebook, TikTok, all platforms that you have it linked to. And just like that, that's gonna be a game changer. And this is the current system that I'm going to use starting next month. Because yes, I will do long form and I will clip thousands of clips a week on me. And I don't need to lift a finger. You don't need to hire people. So go make your money. Let's get right into it.
Alrighty, boys. First things first, I'm the realist. I want to show you guys exactly what you guys need to do here. In your current repo, right? You could just drag and drop the social media kit, and then you guys should have this, right? If you guys do have your agent already developed and all the folders and such, that's perfectly fine. All you need to do is drag and drop the folder, /innate, let it run its thing. You'll see it do its thing. I'll tell you the context of it, what it does and everything. I also have bypass dangerous mode, and essentially you just go to settings as it's doing its thing. You go to settings and then bypass, and then you guys will see it right here. Initial, you just do it as it is. It's really cool. And then that's it. You should have the setting. If you guys do want to know how to get it even on VS Code, I made a whole video on it. But anyways, we should be fine. Architect, everything looks perfect. Run, kept free generic advice, invented tasks, everything's mapped already. So what is our main goal? We go to your Instagram. So not even just Instagram, developer, Facebook. You go to my apps, create an app, put YouTube video. This is just my thing, my contact email, no problem. Trying to figure out what to click. You have to figure out a certain one, which is others. Manage content. You could do this, honestly, publish posts. Let's try this. I haven't done it just because I only pick this, others, but just in case you guys don't have it. And then combo, you have to connect the business account. Boom. No requirements. Okay, identified. Boom. Create an app. And then you guys will see all this. You essentially want to go to app role, go to rules, go to Instagram testers, and add your Instagram. So search up my name, Wasim Yunus _ I'll be the first one. What the heck? There's two. Oh, this is a scammer, but this one, click add. When you're on Instagram, just go to Instagram, you go to settings, you go to website permissions, click website permissions, and then it will show testing invites. You click it. I'm just knock these out. Anyways, you click testing invites, you click on it, you should be fine. The moment you accept it, you should be perfectly fine. Once you do that, how to connect your actual business to this, you go to Graph Access API and you currently activate all these. So you're going to go to permissions. You're going to activate everything here. Ad management, ad read, page events, manage posts, pages, all literally the majority of stuff are activated. Go to others, go to Instagram basics, Instagram content publish, comments, insight, upcoming events, retrievals, fundraisers, and publish videos, read insight, private computation access. And then you click generate access token. The moment you generate access token, all you need to do is copy and paste this, and then it should be all set. It's already connected to Instagram. So for example, by the way, sometimes it kind of wants your app ID and then your secret, and you copy and paste this. That's what it does sometimes. It just wants to have that for your Instagram, and you should be all set, honestly. Now have a directory into your main folder. Whatever folder it is that you ended up putting this repo in, you could now say, hey, create me a folder that now I could just ship videos in and you'll automatically post them. So here, can you create me an organized folder that shows videos that are in process? So all I need to do is drag and drop a video into this folder and it auto posts onto social media. And it's very organized. So it tells you which ones have been published and it goes to a different folder. And the ones that are in process, about to get published, are waiting in another folder. What I would recommend when it does do this, because you're in plan mode, I would do post to all ready platform. And you could do text if you want, but I just do video just in case. Because if I'm already essentially making videos and editing it, all I need to do is drag and drop in the video. But if you're talking about clipping, you guys want to do clipping, go to my store and you go to free, and essentially has everything free, like everything you can think of. But there's YouTube clipping. So all you need to do is just, hey, drag and drop this into your folder right here and just tell it, can you auto edit for viral moments? And it'll literally cut down all of your 80-minute video to viral moments and then drag and drop it into those folders and let it do its thing. It's essentially creating a watchdog that looks over the folder. So if anything's drag and dropped into the folder, it'll automatically post them. But what's cool about this is we'll do a cron every day at 3 p.m. auto post it, and it will. As it's working on that, I want to show you guys a perfect example. I did this for my client, right? As carousels, depending on the assets, I did a whole asset folder for them. We have certain things scheduled, and we'll automatically post the video. So we had this, for example, carousel automatically posted, actually really cool, really nice. And then when you go to the pictures, I have nice pictures that are ready to be posted. All it will do is automatically drag and drop it into the posted realm. Look at that. The moment these are created, all I did was I put it in one of my folders. I said every day at 3 a.m, post the next one up. And when it's posted, drag and drop it into that folder, which is really cool. That's the cron I'm telling you guys about. So let it do its thing. So it created the folder, and essentially we go to watch. It says inbox, shows posting, and then shows published, and then failed ones. So inbox, we post it first. So drag and drop it into the inbox, and then we'll automatically go through the pipeline while it's processing, and then publish, finally successful. As it worked on everything, I want to show you guys YouTube now. YouTube API 3, and it's YouTube data API. So it's very easy. This is on, honestly, it'll say install, click install. You have to be sure to log into the YouTube channel that you want to post on. But when you're at this screen, just go to credentials, create credentials, auth client credentials, and you do desktop app. You don't do iOS, you don't do Chrome extension, none of that. Desktop app, boom. You copy and paste these two into here, and then boom, here as well. Let it be, should be fine now. It should say thanks, auth, blah, blah, blah. And let it just do its thing. I always put my stuff into the chat. It's fine, nothing really happened. As it's doing that, I'm gonna go to YouTube. I'm gonna go to my other accounts, so switch accounts, this one. So this is the one I just linked, right? And I'm gonna show you guys how it's gonna post on YouTube Shorts. It's actually really cool. You should have a prompt where it auto authenticates by you logging in. The screen should, and it says, hey, Google hasn't verified this app. It's your app. You just do perfect, go ahead. How do I do that? So it will prompt you with something that go ahead, go to the unsafe route, continue. And then you should be fine and all set and dandy. So it should say, hey, set up the URL booting. Everything looks wired. Now you're literally all set. So what do we do? I'm going to ask it, so is everything safe? Let me drag and drop a video, make sure the pipeline's set. And you guys should be all done. So all we need to do now is go to inbox, drag and drop. That's it. And you'll see it get pulled out, getting pushed to posting. See, it already got pulled out. And then you should see it in the publish tab. Boom. And then it should read it, honestly, saying this video is now live. Perfect. As you can see, you go to shorts, you'll see it.
Okay. If something in your house...
It's a little bit blurry, but golly. So as you can see, it already worked. Everything's fine. And essentially that's how it is on your Instagram as well. But I have a huge bonus for you guys. If I was you guys, download AI Video Studio. This will cut, reframe, optimize, do animations, everything you want, which we're going to download. And it should go up to the top right. And then YouTube clipping as well, which I think YouTube clipping is also in here. But essentially, we're going to put these in. And what we're going to tell it is, hey, we added 2 new work folders. I ended up adding 2 new work folders to help out for YouTube clipping, but also video editing for clipping long form. Make an organized folder for this. We're going to also give it a very long form, maybe like a 5-minute video, and have it chop up 3 clips from it. You can make it do 100 clips if you want. And for the time being, if you guys do want to check out the enhanced trend bundle, because I work out, you guys literally have everything for free, infinitely. This week I ended up taking and uploading another 10 systems, and it's all for free, guys. What I mean by that is even paid systems I create in real time, I auto send it to all bundle buyers. You guys have every single thing forever for free. The moment I create something, I post out my story and I send it off to all the bundle buyers. So it's really cool. I highly recommend it. Everyone loves it because things I do on YouTube, things I do for my companies, AI voice agents, everything's on there for you. And in real time, you get updated systems and AI prompts and workflows. So it's really cool, guys. You guys don't need to worry about anything anymore. I create the systems for you because I spend around 1 billion tokens a month. Let me show you just Cursor alone. Let me show you guys Cursor alone. 410 million plus 50. That's 500 million in the last 2 days because that's freaking July 13th. In this video, the paid systems and products, I'm giving it out for free because if you guys are on YouTube, I want to make sure you guys are all set as well. So it's actually really cool. Hey, I ended up putting new systems into the workflow, like AI Video Studio and YouTube clipping. I want to start editing long form content and have you create a system and folders for it where you cut, animate, throw captions on there, and auto post it on YouTube. So a 5-minute long form video will have around 5 to 10 short form clips for virality. Let it be. And what's really cool is it's gonna say, how do you want videos to be generated and such. You could do Higgsfield, which is very easy on Higgsfield. All you gotta do is Higgsfield and MCP. Copy and paste this, send it in the chat. You'll be fine. It auto connects. But what we're gonna do is we're gonna do everything internally. So we're gonna have this step and then both essentially. And then we actually have Instagram and Shorts. So I'm showing the Shorts form, and we're having a new system, new concept from it. So let it do its thing. So once we drag and drop a video, it should be all set. So let's see what the system has, right? It has cutting, has Shorts, handle long form content, existing YouTube clipper that's in the Video Studio. So you might as well just download the Video Studio only. And then Cues automatically does the long form YouTube jobs, which is actually really cool, and sends it out to YouTube, Instagram, TikTok, all that good stuff. Long form editing, template for describing your cut. So it cuts, shorts, cues, sets up for social media. What's cool about this is it literally does everything that you want. Every little thing possible, from animations to editing to everything possible, which is really cool. Look, it has cut, animate, captions. But essentially when you're trying to cut as many videos as possible, you're just doing captions and cutting. That's it. Because your main goal is virality. Your main goal is brand awareness. So play the volume game. Post 1,000 videos a day. That's your goal here. Your goal isn't to do high quality stuff. No, get the message out there, get 1 to 5,000 views, and spam and play that game, because you'll average 3 million views as long as you play the volume game. So let's tell it. I'll send a video for you. Just make sure you have a folder that could drop the long form content in, and then you go into the pipeline of editing, cutting, throwing captions on there, and scoring it and doing whatever you need to do possible to make the virality a little bit higher for clipping and playing the volume game. Make sure the pipeline's organized and the folders are all set and situated. So it will have a separate folder from our previous ones. So I'm literally downloading a random video from Sneeko and such. Just to download it, we'll give it a shot.
Do you have an apology or anything?
We'll download the video. It's in 720p, but it's like whatever.
Do you have an apology or anything?
So we just got a video. It has this folder. The folder called desktop, so long form raw right here. So all we're gonna do is drag and drop it. So downloads, drag and drop it. Let it do its thing. It's 4 minutes long. I ended up dropping it, edit it, make it highly engaging with a good score of audience retention, with captions, zoom in, zoom out, scaling, all that good stuff for editing, tricks for audience retention and clipping format. So let it do its thing. It's gonna edit it. It's gonna put the captions on there. This is really awesome because I ended up ranking each video, which is still processing and editing currently, 22 jobs queued, but it tells you the hook and it rates everything, which is actually really cool, guys. Like for clippers out there making a bunch of money, this is the easiest way to do it. And then additionally, clipping yourself if you want to be a social media influencer, which is honestly, this is the pipeline I'm currently trying to do as well. As in, when I start doing long form, I will be using this. Like this is gonna really put me everywhere. And this is what it made. So essentially what's really cool about this, like, yeah, you can do animations, yeah, you could change the subtitles. Hey, I want it in this gradient, in this font. You can send it an image for reference. For something that's subtle, nothing crazy. It does even the zoom out in the beginning, which is hilarious. And it does the caption and everything. So literally all you need to do is just drag and drop them to that folder. Be like, hey, every day at 3 p.m, post these, and it will. So this is why I tell you guys, like, AI is gonna really be populated everywhere, whether it's clipping, whether it's you doing brand awareness for yourself, to local businesses. This is something a lot of local businesses would want. For them to really get into the content game, they will push this out. This is something that they would love. They're doing podcasts, educational videos. They want them clipped. They want them posted. You know how much you could make off one video? Maybe 60 clips. Each clip getting 1,000 views is gonna get you 60,000 views off one platform. If you're doing 3 platforms, it's 180,000. So it adds up quick, guys. And that's assuming you're only doing 30, 60. It's disgusting. If you guys do want this, tell me what you guys think. Comment down below. And yeah, subscribe if you haven't. Anything that you guys do want, let me know in the comments. I'll create it and send it over for free. That's what I do. Especially for the full bundle buyers, I give them everything. They're like, hey, I'm into dental clinics. I need to create a system for them. Boom, I create it. Everyone in the bundle buyer now has that $7,000 system that you could sell to local businesses. So hopefully you guys enjoyed. If you guys did, subscribe because it does mean the world.